Good Monday morning to you. I'm meteorologist Chrissy Kohler. Today, we are starting off the week with the potential for some storms here in western Montana. A lot of that is going to be due to the heat that we're actually going to see through the day today. Our temperatures warming up into the 70s all the way to the upper 80s, and that's going to cause that unstable atmosphere and bring us the potential for severe storms, especially into the afternoon hours. So with these storms, we're talking about the potential for hail, windy conditions, as well as even some heavier rainfall through some areas here in western Montana. So what we're looking at here is this low pressure system working its way from the Pacific off of Washington and Oregon into western Montana. As we head through the day today, we are going to get that push of warm air ahead of this system, and that's going to allow the atmosphere to really destabilize and cause these conditions that are just right to see these storm cells kind of pop up, especially through the afternoon hours. So we're starting off with a little sun this afternoon. We'll warm up to 78 for the high in Kalispell, 80 for the high in Missoula, 84 for the high in Hamilton with the storms this afternoon. And again, we're talking about up to ½ inch size hail, up to 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts through some of these cells, and even the potential for up to ½ inch in a very short amount of time, ½ inch of rain in a short amount of time. So be aware of that. 82 for the high in Phillipsburg today, 85 in Florence, 84 for the high in Hamilton and in Drummond as well, 80 for the high in Seeley Lake and Polson, 81 for the high in Thompson Falls and St. Ignatius, and 78 for the high in Libby. So again, if you're headed outdoors this afternoon, be aware of what's going on. Pay attention to the sky, even check the weather report before you head outside, because you're not going to want to get caught in these storm cells. Plenty of lightning associated with them regardless of whether they become severe, so definitely be careful. As we head into the evening hours, we're going to continue to see them continue through the evening hours, and then into the overnight hours we're going to start to see it transition over into rain as we lose that heat of the day. Our overnight lows going to fall into the upper 50s. As we head through the day tomorrow, this low pressure system shifts into eastern Montana. We still see all the rain behind it, but we'll start to shift the severe potential over east of the divide. Up around the Great Falls Havre area is the best chance to see those thunderstorms tomorrow. Here in western Montana, we could see a few of them, but for the most part, we're going to transition into all rain event on for Tuesday and Wednesday, and that's a lot of that due to that colder air that's moving in behind the cold front. Our temperature is going to nosedive about 20 degrees from today to tomorrow. 63 only for the high in Kalispell, 64 in Missoula, and 60 for the high in Hamilton. Wednesday, another cool day as our temperatures fall even farther into the 50s. So really cool day with rain continuing here in western Montana. Then we get a brief dry period on Thursday. Thursday looking like the driest day of the entire forecast period. Temperatures warming into the 60s by Thursday and into the weekend as well. But it looks like another system setting up to move through by Friday and into the weekend as well.